Hey guys, so I picked up this thing the other day and I'm super excited to open it. It is the Nanoleaf Aurora Rhythm light panels. So if you just clicked on this video, you're either wanting to know more about it before you buy it, or you don't know what I'm talking about, or you don't even know why you're here. But hopefully this video will clarify a few issues to what it is, what you'll get in the box, and how to set it up and what it looks like once you've got it onto your wall. So if you're absolutely new here, this is your first time, my name is Sebastian and I'm a first year medical student studying at Sydney University. And this is a very different type of video to what I normally output, so hopefully you'll stick around and you might find it interesting or useful. But what's really cool about these light panels is that you can stick them on the wall. They're LED, so they're nice and cool, and they're RGB, so they have millions and millions of colors. You can change them and customize them to your preferences. And I got the Rhythm Edition, which means that they'll actually pulse to the beat. So you can put on some music. It adds a very vibrant and dynamic element to your room or to your workspace. And hopefully you can spice up my room, make it look a bit prettier. My friend said I was a bit silly to buy this, but who cares? I got it anyway. I'm from Australia and they retail at $299 here, so they might differ in your region. They're a bit on the pricey side, but let's stick them up on the wall, unbox it, and see if they're worth it or not. So when you open up the box, you're going to see everything there. You see the panels, they're about the size of my hand, fully outstretched, and you'll get 9 of them as part of the starter edition. You can get more if you'd like to, but 9 is just in the starter pack. So as you can see there, they're quite thin. They're about the thinness of a pen, and they're a little bit taller than a pen. And in the box, you'll get all the bits and bobs, the plugs, the adhesive tape. You'll find the rhythm adapter, so that'll connect in and give you compatibility to play it with music, and it will adapt to music. You also get all the linkers which you'll need to attach the panels together. So the design that I went for was probably quite a simple one, but I thought it looked good. Just a simple line with some spikes coming off of it. Also, when you set it up, you want to make sure that it actually works to power. So put it on, try it on a table, make sure everything works. And the adhesive tapes, you only get 28 of these, and you need 27 to put them up. So make sure that you plan ahead with your design. Alright, so I'm about to set up these panels, these guys, behind me on this wall. So hopefully it looks good.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach.
Hey guys, so that pretty much brings us to the end of the unboxing and the setup section. I think it looks pretty nice. I've got it on the wall there now. It didn't take too long. It took about 20 minutes all up. It was just fiddling around with the little stickers, getting your configuration correct, and then just organizing to put it on the wall, make sure it's level, that sort of stuff. The only concern that I have is there is a little cord that you can see that runs down where you have to connect it to power. So what some people could probably do, which I didn't, it was too much of a hassle, is that you drill a hole and then you can sort of hide the cord. I didn't bother with that sort of stuff. So it's pretty good. I'm gonna have a bit of a fiddle around with the settings and I'll show you what that's like, and also how it reacts to music. So in order to get the lights working, you need to download the Nanoleaf app off the App Store and connect it to your smartphone. But once it's all set up, you can go into the app, you can change the brightness levels, you can turn the lights on and off from there. There's also some basic color presets, but also other color presets which they give you, which is really cool. But the awesome thing about it is that it's very flexible, so you can make your own presets, change your own colors to your preferences, and you can also set times when you want the light to go on and off, and it also connects to voice via Siri and Alexa and stuff like that. Hey guys, so I'm just going to quickly demonstrate what the rhythm option looks like when it pulses to the music. So right now I've got it set on normal, which is it just pulses through random colors of your choice. So what you want to do is you switch on the rhythm strip panel. Once you click this on, it activates a profile of your choice. It's pulsing to my voice at the moment. I'm going to put on a quick music clip. So we've got some music playing in the background, courtesy of these speakers over here. It's pretty cool. It can make up your room like more vibrant, disco-y. You can hook it up to an aux cord, and it goes directly into your speaker system, so you can watch movies and stuff, and you can have a background effect. It makes it just a little bit more enjoyable. I'm a super fan of music and stuff like that. I like playing things when I'm studying, when I'm relaxing, so I think it's really nice. But if you're into that, the rhythm option is available. You just get that little module that I showed you and you clip it in and it works from there, so it's pretty cool. Hey guys, so that pretty much brings us to the end of the video. I personally am a fan. I think it looks really nice on the wall there. It also add an element of vibrance and flair for not just my room, but for future videos as well. I think it'll be a good backdrop to have. If you had any more questions or concerns, or like to just know more information, please leave a comment down below. Check out the Nanoleaf products. This video is not sponsored at all, but I just think it's really cool. So if you'd like to check out that, I will put a link below. If you're not happy with just the 9 panels that you get in the starter pack, you can also add more panels. They do expansion packs, so you can go grab those. If you found this video useful or enjoyable, or if you just want to support me, could you please chuck us a like? Subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this. I'm planning to do more tech videos for all the little gadgets that I get in the future, and also continue my medicine videos if you're into that sort of content. But anyways, thanks for making it to the end of the video. Thanks for sticking around. I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, this was Sebastian. Stay sharp.